Okay, good day. Actually, not a good day. Not a good day at all. I was really hoping that this was going to be the video that we got the 335 out and running, and it is absolutely a nightmare. So, put the radiator on, got it all hooked up, started filling it with coolant, and the worst thing that could happen happened. I found out that I have a cracked head. I'm not sure which block it is, but it came pouring right out the exhaust. So now I get to tear the whole top end of the engine down and find a new head. And needless to say, I'm pretty upset. I've said it many times, I'm not a mechanic. I somehow missed it when I cleaned it and put it in. I found a crack in the cylinder block. When I was cleaning, and I ended up getting a new cylinder block, but apparently the head was damaged as well. So yeah, there's going to be a couple videos posted of the teardown and the rebuild, and that definitely wasn't by choice. I didn't anticipate this at all.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises.
Okay, so if you ever wonder why a cracked head is bad, that is why a cracked head is bad. That's all the coolant that I just poured in this morning. It also tells you if you have good piston rings. So this is not allowing that antifreeze to seep down into the oil, which is good. It means you got good sealed rings. Based on what I'm seeing here, I'm thinking that this head jug is where my problem is, because this only got in there when it flowed forward in that exhaust tube. So this got minimal exposure. This filled right up. So I think I know which one I need to go after. We tore it down immediately because I knew that we could not let this liquid sit in here. Otherwise I'm going to have frozen pistons again, and that would be terrible. So we're going to get this cleaned out, dried up, just to make sure that we're not going to get any rust. And that this isn't going to become a problem while I'm working on addressing the original problem.
And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
So as we're inspecting the water jackets, I'm seeing some buildup. Try to get the light in there for you. That I thought I had all taken care of when I rebuilt this, but apparently we just flushed more through. And what I'm pulling out is now shards of steel. So I'm pretty positive that this is my problem child. I don't see the same on this side. But I guess we'll see. I'm gonna try filling it with water on the floor and see if I can see where it's coming out, just so that I can be sure that I hopefully only have to buy one jug, not both of them. Okay, we're gonna try to get you a shot of where our issue is here. Go ahead. Keep going. You can see it bubbling out of there. That's no good, obviously. Now we have to do the other head to see if we get the same result. Okay, so I took the frost plug out of the other one, put it into this one, filled it up, and you see there was still residual antifreeze in there. I put pure water in and it's still green, but that's what it should look like. Should be no leakage. So we have one good head block. All right, so obviously not the best day. I thought I was gonna be showing you a running, driving tractor, and I ended up showing you an engine teardown. Learned a couple of valuable lessons today. Sometimes you have to fail to learn things, and I did not think about testing those water jackets like I just did here when I rebuilt this. Otherwise, I may have found this when I was rebuilding it, and now I know for the next time that I do a full engine rebuild like that, I will plug up the water ports, I will fill it up and make sure that I don't have cracks in the block. But I didn't have anybody to teach me that, so I had to learn it the hard way. I think we know where we need to go from here. I've got one jug head that is good and one that is bad, and now I've got to find a replacement for the bad one, and then I still have to take the valves out, and then potentially reuse those in the one that I find. Maybe not, I don't know yet, but yeah, that's yet to be determined. For now, it's gonna sit in this state. I did get the engine block dried out, which was the important part, and then I'm just gonna come out every probably day for a while and just turn it over and make sure that I don't have any issues in those cylinders. The last thing I want is for this thing to lock up again. I am a little down and disheartened. It's hard not to be. Put a lot of time and effort and a lot of money into this, and it really stinks to have a setback like this. I'd be lying if I told you I was happy about it. I'm not. So until I find a head and figure out what I'm going to do there, I'm going to take a break from this thing because it's starting to get to me. So with that said, we'll see you the next time. Take your foot off the clutch. Thanks, everybody.